Today I am making one of my favorite fusion comfort dishes, chicken tikka rigatoni pasta. If you love bold Indian spices and creamy Italian style pasta, this recipe is going to be your new obsession. We'll start with the chicken breast. I'm using 1 pound of chicken cut into small bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly and soak up all the flavors. For the marinade, I use 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of each of red chilli powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Squeeze in the little lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil on top. Mix everything until every piece is coated. Let this rest for at least 15 minutes. This step is so important. It gives you that perfect tikka flavor. Now for the cooking the pasta. While the chicken marinade, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add your rigatoni pasta and cook it for about 15 minutes or until it's perfectly al dente. Once it's done, drain it and set aside. Now cooking the chicken. Now it's time to cook the chicken in a cast iron pan. Heat a little olive oil and a small amount of 2 tablespoons of truffle butter for that amazing aroma. Add your marinade chicken pieces and let them cook on a medium heat for about 15 minutes on both sides. Let the edges get golden, let the spices caramelize and cook until the chicken is tender, juicy and lightly charred. Now making the sauce. For the sauce, heat olive oil, a little more truffle butter in a clean pan. Add 2 finely chopped shallots and 1 chopped green chilli. Saute until they soften. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Also don't forget the ginger garlic paste. A pinch of salt and your spices, cumin powder. Everything I'm using is a half teaspoon. Red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and a little tandoori masala powder for that deep smoky aroma flavor. Let this cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes until everything thickens and separates and the oil separates slightly. Now pour in your heavy cream and mix it gently. Add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to balance the spices and to finish it up with Italian herbs. Let this simmer on a low heat for about 15 minutes. Don't forget to add spinach if you want to add, until the sauce becomes silky, creamy and full of flavor. Now bring it all together. Now add your cooked chicken into the sauce. Mix it well so the tikka masala wraps around every piece of that rigatoni. Then fold your rigatoni pasta. Look how the sauce hugs the pasta. This is where the magic happens. To finish, top it off with a pepper jack cheese and Parmesan cheese on top, a drizzle of olive oil, a tiny bit of more truffle butter, fresh coriander leaves, fresh Italian herbs, and even a spoon of cream cheese if you love extra creaminess. And that's it. Chicken tikka rigatoni pasta, bold, creamy, comforting, and honestly one of the best fusion recipes you can ever try. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know what dish you want to see next. Thank you.